Paying $500 plus for whiteboard animations? This AI tool creates them in 3 clicks for $37. I'm talking about InstaDoodle, and it's completely changing how people create professional whiteboard videos. If you've ever wanted studio-grade animations but got scared off by the price tags and technical complexity, this is going to blow your mind. Here's what makes InstaDoodle incredible. First, you get instant studio-grade whiteboard videos with 0 design skills required. No more hiring expensive freelancers or wrestling with complicated software. Second, it comes packed with over 1,000 Doodle characters and elements, so you'll never run out of creative options. But here's the game changer, the AI text-to-video feature. Just type what you want, and InstaDoodle creates the entire video for you. I've seen marketers, business owners, YouTubers, and freelancers all using this to create content that actually engages and converts. Compare that to traditional methods that cost hundreds of dollars and take days to complete. If you want to create stunning whiteboard videos that engage and convert, InstaDoodle is honestly the best tool available. Click the link in the description now to grab InstaDoodle at the best price before it's gone.